Finviz. Finviz, guys, finviz.com, free website. I showed it in a couple of videos actually, and I showed it in the last video I uploaded. But Finviz is an amazing screener you can use. If you go to home, Finviz home, homepage, go down here. You see all this here. So you have a trend line support. Let's click on that. Click any of these. What it does, let me go back. What it does, Finviz does the job for you. It finds all the stocks in the market that are trending on a support line. So, and it draws it for you. You see, that's the support that Finviz drew for you. That's the blue line. You see, it goes up, goes up, goes up, goes down, hits the support. But what happens? What happens after it hits the support? It goes back up, goes up, goes down, hits the support, goes back up, hits the support, goes back up. I mean, this support is not horizontal; it's descending. However, it's still a support. You know what I mean? So at least now you have an idea where might the stock will stop again. Does it always hold? No, as I said, no. But it's a good idea. It gives you a little bit extra information that you can rely on. Usually what people do is once it hits the support, and that's actually really good. So it's going down, right? The stock here, let's talk here. It's red. It's going down. It's called bearish. It's going down. Now it hits the support, and you see, oh, it hits the support, so probably gonna bounce back. Let me buy. No, don't buy. What you need to do, let it reverse. That's called a reversal, right? Let it reverse. And let's go a little bit up, and that's called confirmation. Once you see a confirmation, you jump in and you buy. So you always make sure that you're buying on a confirmation. You don't buy just on a hinge. Let's take another one. Same thing. You see, boom, support goes up, support goes up, support goes up. 1, 3, And to actually make it a legitimate support, it has to test at least 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. This is a good support. If it only did it once, for example, if it did it only once, that's not a support. That's just a point that the stock reached and nothing happened. It's just it has to test 3 times at least. All right. So let's look for more stuff. Let's talk about the resistance since we talk about resistance, and then I'll show you something cool. All right. So this is the resistance. It's the purple line, and you'll see that there's a resistance where the price, that resistance line, it's resisting the price to go further than that. It's like a slap on the hand. Like, you can't go higher, man. It's slapping the stock to not go higher than that. So, and there it is. Boom. Boom. Goes out down. Try to go up, but no. The resistance says no, so it slaps it back. Try to go up. Resistance says no. Go up. No. No. And it tried here. It seems that it tried here to break, but it didn't. Again, do you always sell here? Maybe, most of the time, yeah, but not always, because, again, you want to, what if it breaks? What if it actually breaks up? If it breaks up, you're losing all this opportunity. How does it break? Well, the way if it breaks is you need more buyers than sellers at this line. What this lines really mean, whether it's a resistance or a support, it means for a resistance, it means there are a lot of more sellers than buyers on that line setting up their sales in here. They want this price. They want to sell at this price. So there are a lot of sellers waiting for the stock to be here, and they're selling over and over and over again. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. They're doing the same thing over and over again. It's a mass psychology. That's what we call it. So every time the buyers do their best to boost the price of the stock up, sellers at this line win and sell everything, and it drops it back. You see, now buyers took it all the way up, but still sellers, it almost reached that point, drops it back. All right, so now we get the idea of support and resistance. Really cool, really interesting, but also very simple. I'll show you some strategies that you can follow that tend to follow the support resistance kind of deal. If you want to go back to Finviz, to the home page, you see here there's channel up, channel down. We'll talk a little bit more later on double top, multiple tops and stuff. These are different kind of trends. So let's take the channel up. And again, what channel up? This, oh man, I don't have money. Wow, this is the first time like that. Let's take just regular channel. So again, what is this? Is FinViz does the job for you, and it screens everything that is moving in a channel. You see the channel, and that's the resistance, the purple, and that's the support down there, the blue. And everything in between, that's why it's called a channel. So it's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What you can do, this is for a swing trading strategy. What you could do, you could wait for the stock to reach this point and sell. You could reach, well, let's do the opposite, since we haven't talked about shorting yet. You could wait for the stock to reach around here and buy, and wait for it. I mean, you can sell here if you want to, but since you know this is moving in a channel, you can be patient a little bit. So it took it from all the way from September to almost January. That's like 3 months. 4. Wait here and sell here. So you made about $4 per stock here. You know, same here. This here took it way shorter period of time actually. So you bought it in March, somewhere like mid-March, and you sold it after a month or 3 weeks. So that gives you an idea. You know, that gives you an idea that hey, this stock is moving in this channel. You can buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, and you can pick many ones, and they're gonna follow the same rule: buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, so on and so forth. These are cheap stocks, guys. You know, like $1.26, was it? Yeah, $1.26. You know, you can buy a lot of stocks, make some money just from this pattern. Let's take another pattern. Let's take a channel down. Probably a mini, yeah, because of the coronavirus. There was only one channel up. Usually it's the opposite. Let's take this one. So this one is actually channeling down. So what you want to do, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. That's what it is. Now be careful. This is it's a below dollar stock. This is a penny stock now. It's in cents. So be careful with it, because this can go bankrupt, because it's going down. You know, it's going even further down. So you want to be careful with these stocks. You want to go a little bit on the higher side. Maybe this one with $4. Oh, and by the way, with technical analysis, I don't even know these stocks. I don't even know this company. Bioceres Crop Solution Corporation. I have no clue what they do. I mean, obviously it's a biomedical company. Probably, yeah. It says Argentina conglomerates. Yeah. I have no clue who they are. I have no clue where they operate. Because technical analysis doesn't care about these things. It only cares about the pattern. It's all about math, baby. It's all about graphs and math. And you're just trying to find a pattern and, you know, maximize your profit on a pattern. You're trying to use the pattern for your own benefit. Same here, you know, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So you get the point, guys. Again, I have no clue who Paysign is. The operating U.S. business services. What is that? I don't know. But you see, like and that only works for traders. Again, that's only traders, because traders most of the time they use technical analysis. As an investor, you would never want to do that ever, because you're trying to invest in your money. You want your company to actually not go down. That's a bad thing. You want it to go all the way up. As a trader, you don't care if it's going down or up or whatever. As long as there's a pattern and you can utilize that pattern toward your benefit, you're fine. As an investor, no. You want the company to grow. You want to know the numbers. You want to look at market cap and PE ratio and earning per share, and the return on equity and return on asset, return on investment, the gross margin, operation margin, and you want to compare it to other companies, and you want to learn about the CEO, about their team, their marketing department. What are they doing? All these things. With technical analysis, you don't care about these things. But again, we'll make a video about these things, and yeah, guys, this is support and resistance. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you around.